Our planet is unique, a world of water, where oceans not only sustain life but also shape it. Beneath the visible waves lies an invisible force, the ocean currents. They connect continents, distribute nutrients, and regulate the climate. But what happens when this engine changes? This is the story of the ocean and its influence on the evolution of life. In the Indian Ocean, seasonal monsoon currents play a crucial role in shaping marine life. These currents bring bursts of nutrients that trigger plankton blooms, attracting large filter feeders like whale sharks. This cycle of abundance ensures the survival of countless species, highlighting how currents drive biodiversity. The thermohaline circulation, also known as the Great Ocean Conveyor Belt, distributes heat and nutrients across the planet. These currents form the foundation of marine ecosystems, nourish coral reefs, and guide migrating species like sea turtles. But this perfect system also has its vulnerabilities. Throughout history, the seas have never been still. During ice ages, the sea retreated, creating land bridges like the Bering Strait. Animals migrated to new areas and evolved in isolation. But when the ice melted and sea levels rose, ecosystems changed dramatically, resulting in new species like the megalodon and the Basilosaurus. Another remarkable example is the formation of the Black Sea. At the end of the last ice age, when sea levels worldwide rose, the area was flooded by water from the Mediterranean Sea. This dramatic event transformed a freshwater lake into a saltwater sea and may have inspired legends like the Great Flood.
The Galapagos Islands are a perfect example of how ocean currents drive evolution. The Humboldt Current brings cold, nutrient-rich waters to these islands, causing a burst of life. Here, species adapted to their unique environment, such as the marine iguana, the only reptile in the world that grazes in the sea. Along the coast of California, kelp forests showcase another aspect of the power of ocean currents. The cold currents bring nutrients to these underwater forests, where a diverse ecosystem thrives. Sea otters, a keystone species, play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of this ecosystem by keeping sea urchins in check, allowing the kelp to flourish. By preying on sea urchins, they prevent these creatures from overgrazing the kelp, which would otherwise lead to the collapse of the habitat. This delicate balance allows the kelp to flourish, providing shelter and food for countless marine species. The interplay of predators, prey, and currents creates one of the ocean's most vibrant ecosystems. Today, ocean currents are under threat. Melting polar ice threatens to disrupt the thermohaline circulation, with devastating consequences for the climate and marine life. Rising sea levels drown mangroves and coral reefs, while shifting currents upend fish migration and ecosystems. The future of our oceans depends on what we do today. Scientists around the world are working on solutions to understand and protect these fragile systems, from restoring coral reefs using innovative 3D printing techniques to create artificial reef structures, to advanced climate models that predict ocean changes with greater accuracy. These efforts are paving the way for a more sustainable future. Other groundbreaking initiatives include breeding heat-resistant coral species to withstand warming seas and developing marine protected areas that act as sanctuaries for endangered species. Only by working together can we ensure that the Blue Engine keeps running and that life continues to thrive. The ocean is more than a body of water. It is a living, breathing system that holds the key to life on Earth. From the deepest trenches to the highest waves, it tells a story of resilience and change. Let us protect it for ourselves and for generations to come.